Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how to traverse array list using ListIterator. Yes, we have already seen how to traverse any array list using Iterator. So there is another alternative way to traverse over any list using ListIterator. So we are going to see how we can use ListIterator. For that, we have to import the ListIterator interface, and this is ListIterator java.util package needs to be imported, and thus we have imported ListIterator now at this place. And now Iterator, this one is useless because we are not using it. So in order to remove this, just press Ctrl Shift O and all the unused imports would be removed from the class. So we can see Iterator has been removed now. And now at this place, instead of Iterator, what we are going to do, we are going to invoke ListIterator. ListIterator that is present at this place. See, ListIterator returns a list of iterator over the element in the list in a proper sequence. So let's use it and then see how it works. You can see that ListIterator also has the same methods hasNext and next that was provided by Iterator as well. So what happens at this place is it will check for itr.hasNext or not. That means we have created the ListIterator over the items, that is over the list, right? We have already created over item this ListIterator, and now we are using the instance to check whether this has next element or not, and it sees that okay, there is next element burger present, and thus it will return true. And once it returns true, it will enter this while loop, and this itr.next method will fetch the next element, that is burger, and it will be placed at this place. That is going to get printed because of this system.out.println statement. And again it will go to the beginning of the loop. It will again check for the hasNext, and it will see okay, the next element is also present, and again this will return true. And once it returns true, we will enter the loop, and this will fetch the next element, that is cheeseburger, and that would get printed at this place. And it will go on till we reach beverages, and once beverages is printed, when again we come back to this itr.hasNext, it will find that there is no element present after beverages, and thus it will return false. And once it returns false, we come outside this loop and thus get all the elements till beverages printed on the screen. Let's execute this one first. See, all the elements are getting printed on the screen, and this is in the forward direction. That means from burger, cheeseburger, fries, samosas, and so on till beverages. So this is a forward direction traversal, and this was possible with Iterator as well. Iterator can also help you to traverse in the forward direction, but there is one important feature with this ListIterator, and that is it allows you to traverse in forward direction as well as backward direction. And this is one of the major advantages of ListIterator over Iterator, that it allows you to traverse in the backward direction as well. So let's see how you can traverse in the backward direction. Now we are going to see backward traversal, right? So how that can be done? Now use while loop again, and this time on itr, instead of hasNext, check hasPrevious. And once you check hasPrevious, it will go in the reverse direction. It will check whether previous element is present or not, and if it is present, then only it will enter the loop. And this time what we will do, we will print the elements in the reverse order, and that is very simple. Now you can guess the method name, itr dot, it should be previous, because for hasNext method is next, so for hasPrevious the method is previous. So it will check whether there is a previous element or not in the while loop, and if it is there, then it will get picked at this place and is getting printed. So the logic is very simple. It will check hasNext, that is beverages is present, so it will return true, and once it returns true, here the beverages, that is previous element that was present, will be picked and it is getting printed. And it will go on and on till we reach burger, and once it reaches is burger, it will again check, means once the burger is printed at this place, then again it will come to while, and when it checks for itr.hasPrevious, then after burger there is no previous element, and that is why it will return false. And once it returns false, we will come out of the loop, that is while loop, and the execution ends. So this is how this list iterator helps you to traverse in the forward as well as traverse in the backward direction, right? Forward direction, forward traversal, right? So this one is forward traversal and this one is backward traversal. And now let's execute and see what is the output, as whether we are getting the output as per our explanation or not. See, this is forward traversal. We are traversing from burger till beverages, and then we are coming to backward traversal. This one is getting printed and then a loop is executed, and in the loop we will check for the previous, and then previous will be printed at this place. So see, we are moving from beverages to burger, that means in the reverse direction, that is beverages to burger. So this is one of the major advantages of list iterator over iterator, because it allows you to traverse in both forward and backward direction, whereas iterator only allows you to traverse in the forward direction. If you go to the iterator video, you will see that there is the same method names, that is has next and next over there as well, and that is it only supports this one, that is forward traversal. So hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.